saw this bottle that Devin had and he freaked out.
Brody, what is it?
Brody?
What is it, Brody?
Come here, Dev.
What is it? You go over there? Say hi, bird.
Brody, what's that? No, the bird is scared. You should go on. Brody, say, no, Joe, I'm nervous.
Don't film me. I'll grab him and just take the camera.
Brody, bird?
Oh, he doesn't like the grass.
Bird? Devin, go see the bird.
What is it, Brody? Oh!
Joe. Coming toward you.
Grab your baby.
Yeah, really. Stop recording. Alright. We're getting moved in on.
I will punch a bird in the face, bird. Back off.